Here is an opportunity for you to study in the United States all for free. In this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know about the CAST International Scholarship, which is a merit-based full scholarship for international students. Irrespective of the country you are located right now, you can apply for the CAST International Scholarship, which is only open to those interested to apply for a bachelor degree program and pursue their educational career in US. So I'm going to show you all the important information you need to know and how to go about the application. So the CAST scholarship requires you to apply for admission and you need to request a financial aid separately during your application. So once you are on the admission page, you need to apply for the course of your choice, and then during your application you have to select the financial aid box where you have to take it and then fill in the important information being requested. So there's no separate application for you to apply for this scholarship. So what are you waiting for? This is something that is achievable. All you need to do is to show your interest by applying to this scholarship. If this is the first time of coming across our YouTube video, to ensure you like, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this, where we discuss scholarship in depth for international students. We post scholarship from various parts of the world, bachelor, masters, and PhD programs. So before we go deep into the scholarship, I'll quickly run through the frequently asked questions so we can know what this scholarship is all about. So among the questions being asked here, it's also part of the eligibility, and one of the eligibility is that can students who are citizens of country outside the US be considered for this scholarship, which the answer is yes, which means that those that are eligible for this scholarship have to be residing outside the United States. So you must not hold a dual citizenship to be considered for this scholarship. You must not have completed a BA, which is Bachelor of Art or Bachelor of Science degree, in order to participate in this scholarship program. So these are just part of the eligibility requirements. These three questions are part of the eligibility requirement. And also another eligibility requirement is that you will need strong academic qualifications, because this scholarship is highly competitive. So other questions being asked here is that how do you apply for this scholarship? Simply apply for admission at Duke University. What makes a good candidate for this scholarship? Strong academic preparation and documented need for financial aid. Does it mean that I will need to complete the financial aid form? Yes. So you cannot be nominated for the scholarship, and the scholarship benefits will include your tuition fee, accommodation, expenses during your study. You have room and board, demonstrated need that exceeds those costs, and 3 summer of funding for research, unpaid internship for you to have a broader knowledge and experience for employment skills, and other opportunities that will advance your career are part of the benefit you will get after you have been awarded this scholarship. So what are the documents required for this scholarship? It is not far-fetched. All you need is a transcript showing the grades and subject you have taken during your high school. Also, you need letters of recommendation, two from your teacher and one from a counselor. You need a personal essay for this scholarship. You need an application essay for this scholarship. And also need proof of English language proficiency, but with the exception to those who their country official language is English, or if you have previously studied in English. So you need application essay which should consist of a long essay, a short essay, and you can as well add a personal essay. For long essay, you need to be creative, be concise, and don't forget to proofread. For short essay, you need to tell them why you have chose to university. Uh, for the personal essay, which is optional, you need to write based on your goals and objective at Duke. So for personal essay, you should reveal who you are beyond academics by showcasing your curiosity, value, and unique perspective. So you should always reflect on what you learned and how it shaped you. You can conclude with a reflective of looking statement that ties your growth to what you hope to achieve at Stoke. Be authentic, focused, and personal within the first. So once you want to apply, all you need to do is to head over to financial.duke.edu. I will drop the link of this in the description of this video, so you can access it and then apply if interested. Here you can play this video to know more about the university. Now all you need to do is to scroll down and then click on how to apply for financial aid. You will be redirected here where to require you to check out information on how the application works. So I am applying for admission to Duke. If you click on show me how it works, it will take you to this section of the website where to show estimate, apply, and review. So scroll down a bit, and so let's take a look at the deadline. We're told that November 4th is for early admission deadline, while February 1st is for regular admission. So you are expected to complete your CSS profile by November 4th, and you should keep your eye on the application portal if there's any additional documents you are required to upload and submit. Once you are ready, you have met all the requirements, you have the documents at your disposal. All you need to do is to click on step for applying. Once you click on this step for applying, you will be redirected to this page where it shows you details on how it works and the steps to take. But we are only interested in applying, so you can read additional information on your own. So once you are here, you click on international, then you are applying for early decision mandate, and it will give you extra information on how to prepare for your application, how to submit your application, which requires you to complete a CSS profile application online by November 3rd, and keep checking your mail for additional information regarding your application. Then a review will be conducted, and once you meet the requirements, you'll be offered admission and scholarship, which is the CAST International Scholarship. So you click on apply, which is this link, and to redirect you to this page where you have to start your application. Choose one, which is either the Trinity College of Art and Science or the Pratt School of Engineering, and then wait for decisions on your application. You can as well check the application checklist for additional information, but let's quickly head over to the application. So once you are here, you click on common application, or you can use the guest page application for eligible students. So let's take a look at the common application. Once you click on this common application, it will redirect you here where you have to create an account. Then you click on you are a first year student, and it requires you to enter your account information such as email address, password. Then for this option, which describes you are applying as a first year student and plan to start college in 2013-26. Then your personal information, which is your legal first name. Then will you like to share different name? No. So you need last name, your date of birth, your contacts details, which is your phone number and your permanent home address. So you need to click on it, select your country, and then enter your address. Then for the private policy and options, for the private policy and preferences, you need to select the appropriate options. Are you currently based in European Union country, either any of this country? If it is yes, you select yes. If it is no, you select no. Then do you like to receive communication from common app to will you like to receive communication from common app about opportunities and sources? Yes. Then you click this and then you create an account. Then once you log in, you'll be able to start your application. But I won't be creating an account because I don't really need it. So you'll be able to apply for the course of your choice and fill in the financial aid form once we are being once we are on the application portal. So don't forget that during the application you will need to check the application request form. There's a box in which you need to check, and once you check that, it will require you to fill in additional information for you to be for you to apply for the CAST International Scholarship. One important information uh, I need you to know is that there's an application fee for this, in which for those who can't pay an application fee, the university offers fee waivers for qualifying students, which means under many circumstances we will waive the $85 application fee for students with high financial needs. So the university can waive uh, application fee. Here are the details you need to know about the CAC International scholarship program at Duke University in the US. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments and I will reply you as much as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to for more subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students. Wish you success and see you in our next video.